Hello, my name is Coach Sidney Moncrief. One of our initiatives of many is our Moncrief Game Changer entrepreneurship program. And we had a group of young people at the West Central Community Center in Little Rock, Arkansas. We thought it would be a great idea to bring them to an area that's different from what they're accustomed to, and to have CEOs engage, mentor, interact with these students.
My name is Raheem Alford, representing Pace Industries. I love these type of events. You'll be able to go into the neighborhoods of where I'm actually from and finding these kids and giving them opportunities to be able to become something great. I think it's something wonderful.
What I learned out of this program is that there's a lot of people in this building is an entrepreneur. And you can also get advice from them, and you can use that advice, and you can become something big one day.
I want to be a doctor, and I want to go to the WNBA. And today was fun because it helped me reach my goal to not be scared to talk to people.
Today was fun because I went with my mentor, and we got to see some of her office, and we have seen some really cool things about software and hardware.
We want to thank, first of all, Sidney Moncrief and Takisha for the opportunity to participate with these young students who are so sharp. And we also want to thank McDonald's Training Center and the Matthews organization, and then the great, of course, leaders that we had, and Dr. Charles Robinson for coming over, one of the leaders of our university here, and then our team. Ed, Cedric, Diane worked their tail off, making sure everything went well, and we're grateful for them as well.
It's all about building relationships and exposing young people and adults to individuals that they don't know as well. That's one reason why we wanted to have this initiative here in Springdale, is because we felt it was critical to engage with people that don't look anything like them. Nothing matches except their desire to have a better world. And the CEOs and the people that attended this event, they were tremendous in helping these young people understand and get a grasp for the vision and the possibilities for their life moving forward.